lọ́la kó bá yà kún ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé ajẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn lèmi gbàgbọ́ sóhun mi lọ́jọ́ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. La ilaha illallah. Alawalu, alakiru, asọhiru, abatinu, ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrú ni wọ́n síkúrú ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú. Kó fàyà kùn rẹ̀ láfi ń ṣe tiwa. Ewé jẹ́ òbẹ̀. Èyí tó dá fún wa ládẹ̀ gbójúlé. Èyí tó ní ká ló ládẹ̀ ń lò. Ọba ńlá ń dákun máa jẹ́ ká ṣiṣẹ́. Ọba tó rí gbogbo ẹ̀dá ta ò rí. Ìwọ lọ́ba tá ń gbàṣẹ lọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀.
This is bitter leaf. This is bitter leaf. Today, I want to share something that is very powerful with you. If you have this bitter leaf in your compound, I want to share you one secret that I never share it online before, honestly speaking. But the problem now is that you must get this. Like if you plant it in your compound, you are not going to buy it in the market. And you are not going to use the dried one. Use fresh one. So you are going to do this immediately you wake up in the morning before you say a single word to anyone. Are you with me? Hold this bitter leaf in your hand. Hold it like this in your hand. Please make sure you hold the one that you can be able to eat at once in you, not the one that the big one, and later you can't eat it at all. You understand? You must hold the one that you. Thank you for joining this program. Please don't forget to drop a comment and like. You can eat at once. So, how to do it and how to use it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Baby Winje. If today is your first time here, everything I do here is to share spiritual tip, just like the one I want to share with you right now. And if you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell. So anytime, any day, any hour I post video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You see a lot of video there that can help your spiritual life. If you don't understand, please feel free to call me on 07037422552, or you message me on WhatsApp 09053332747. So in today's video, I want to quickly show you how to use this bitter leaf. Bitter leaf. If you are maybe you are under attack, are you with me? Or you believe that you have some sickness in your body, you have done a lot of things and nothing work out. This is what you are going to do immediately you wake up in the morning. If you want God to expose the kind of problem you have, maybe spiritual problem, you understand? Because let me tell you one thing, there's some spiritual problem. You have done a lot of things and nothing work out. You understand? This is spiritual channel. Please, I want you to listen very carefully. You understand? You have done a lot of things and nothing work out. You understand? And you want God to expose. Either you have the dream, you have a dream that someone directs you to something that you can use. Yes, you can find someone in your dream to direct you to what you can use to cure or to get rid of that particular spiritual problem. So when you wake up in the morning, before you say a single word to anyone, hold the bitter leaf in your hand. Say your intention. Say your intention. I didn't ask you to bow down to a bitter leaf or to beg the bitter leaf to help you out. You understand? You are to beg God, ask God to expose, to get you, to give you direction to the kind of problem, any spiritual problem you have. Then cut the bitter leaf, cut it. You understand? You are going to fold it, fold it, fold it. Please make sure that you cut one that is not, that all this fly is not there. Don't eat fly with it. Oh, you understand? So you are going to put it in your mouth. Do it early in the morning and chew it. After you chew it, go back. You can do whatever thing you like. You can talk. You can say whatever thing you want. That's all. Very simple. Believe me, if you do it once throughout that week, by the grace of Almighty God, first the dream will clear to you. If you always have a dream that I don't remember my dream, your dream will clear to you. Just only single bitter leaf. That's all. Sometimes when someone call me that I've used this, I've done this and nothing work out, you understand? I normally use this thing to ask for direction to that, I mean, to the solution to that person. You understand? That's all. It's very simple. Please, if you love this video, help me to like this video. As you like this video, may Almighty God bless you and bless your family. Èyí tí mo bá sọ ni tí èèyàn bá fẹ́ wá ojútùú sí nǹkan òkùnkùn kan tó ń da ẹ̀dá láàmú, bóyá wọ́n fi kíní kan ṣèyàn ni o ti wá lo nǹkan lóríṣiríṣi, nǹkan yẹn ò lọ. Tó bá ti jẹ́ pàfìṣe ni, sọ̀rọ̀ mi ti yé. Ẹ jẹ́ ká jí láàárọ̀ kùtùkùtù. A lọ já ewé ni o, a gbọ́dọ̀ lọ ra o. Ibi tó bá wà tá bá gbé sí, a lọ bẹ láàárọ̀ kùtùkùtù kan sọ̀rọ̀ sí yàn. Ẹ jẹ́ ká di kékeré kan mú bẹ̀ tá bá lè jẹ tán. A dì mú pẹ̀lú ọwọ́ ọ̀tún wa. Ẹ jẹ́ ká dàníyàn kí Ọlọ́run fi wá mọ̀nà sórí nǹkan náà tí ó ń da ẹ̀dá náà láàmú. Ẹ jẹ́ ká já, tá bá ti já, ẹ jẹ́ ká fóòdù ẹ̀ papọ̀ báyìí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká di papọ̀. Ẹ má jẹ́ etí kòkòrò wa o, ẹ má jẹ́ kòkòrò mọ́ o. Ẹ jù sẹ́nu kẹ́ jẹ́. Ẹ wo ọ̀sẹ̀ tẹ́ bá jẹ nǹkan yẹn, lágbára Ọlọ́run ẹ yí padà. Àyípadà gidi ẹ rí. Àkọ́kọ́ nìyẹn. Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì, ẹ máa rí ìtọ́sọ́nà lórí nǹkan tó ń ṣe ẹni yẹn. Ìgbà míì tẹ́lómi bá pè mí tó bá ní nǹkan kan ń ṣe òun ti lólé òun ti lólé, tèmi náà bá ti gbìyànjú fẹ́ nìyẹn, tí n bá rí pé nǹkan yẹn ò ṣe, tí n bá ráàyè, nǹkan tí mò ń sábà ṣe fún wọn nìyẹn. Tí bá ti jí láàárọ̀, màá dẹ̀ mú. Lágbára Ọlọ́run ojú àlá. Ìgbà míì wọ́n lè rí direction pé wọ́n sọ pé ní mú òkúta akọ méje náà ni dá sínú omi kó fi wẹ̀ ó tán. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, lágbára Ọlọ́run ẹ̀ dẹ̀ rí. Kódà tẹ́ ẹ bá lálàá yẹn yóò dẹ̀ kílẹ̀ sí lágbára Ọlọ́run.
Ọlọ́run ọba ewé ń jẹ́, lọ́la kún báyà kún Ọlọ́run ọba ewé ń jẹ́, ewé á jẹ́, ewé ń jẹ́, àwọn onígbàgbọ́ sóhun mi lọ́jọ́ dìbò ewé ń jẹ́, la ilaha illallah, alawalu alakiru asọhiru abatinu Ọlọ́run ọba, ìwọ ló pamọ́ ìwọ ló fara jáde, alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá, èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá, ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn, fásikúrú ni wọ́n iná ń ṣe mọ́ fún. Kó fàyà kùn rẹ̀ la fi ń ṣe tiwa.